If you are wondering if LHDC is supported on Google Pixel 11, then the answer is yes. This phone does indeed support LHDC audio codec. However, for some reason, all the settings related to Bluetooth audio codecs are hidden in developer options. So in order to make sure that we are indeed using LHDC, we need to go to settings, and of course we need to activate developer options. If you don't have them enabled yet, go to About Phone, scroll all the way down, and keep tapping on build number over here until you need to enter your screen lock password. Then go back to settings and choose system option here. Now in system settings over here, we should be able to find developer options. Then we're gonna scroll down for a little bit until you find the Bluetooth option here in networking. Now, here we're gonna scroll down again, and you should be able to find HD audio, which of course must be enabled if you want to use LHDC. And here, as you can see, we do have LHDC, which is actually LHDC v5, of course. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.